In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. If Facebook Marketplace is missing from your account, there are several common reasons this happens, and the good news is that many of them are easy to check. We'll go through the most important fixes in a clear order so you can figure out what's causing the problem and what to do next. First, check whether Marketplace is available in your region. Facebook Marketplace is not supported in every country or area, so if the feature hasn't been rolled out where you are, it may simply not appear on your account at all. This is one of the first things to confirm before trying anything more technical. Next, verify your age on Facebook. Marketplace is generally available only to users who are 18 years old or older. If the birth date on your account is incorrect, that alone can block access. Make sure your date of birth is accurate in your Facebook profile settings. After that, update the Facebook app. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Facebook, and see if an update is available. If it is, install it, then restart the app and check Marketplace again. Running an outdated version of the app can sometimes cause missing features or loading issues. Another simple fix is to log out and back in. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon, scroll down, and select Logout, then sign back into your account and try opening Marketplace again. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary account or app glitches. You should also check for account restrictions. Marketplace access can be limited if your account has violated Facebook's community standards or commerce policies. In the app, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and look for account status if that option is available. Review any warnings, restrictions, or policy violations listed there. If your Marketplace access was removed by mistake, Facebook may give you an option to request a review. If your account is new or hasn't been active for long, use Facebook regularly for a while. New or inactive accounts sometimes don't get immediate access to Marketplace, so normal activity on the platform may help over time. You can also try another device or browser. Sign into Facebook on a different phone, tablet, or computer. If Marketplace works there, the issue is more likely related to your device or app rather than your account. On Android, you can also clear the Facebook app cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, then Facebook, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen Facebook. On iPhone, there usually isn't a direct cache clearing option, so reinstalling the app is the usual alternative. If you've tried everything and still can't access Marketplace, contact Facebook support. Open help and support in the Facebook app, select Report a Problem, explain that Marketplace isn't available on your account, and include screenshots if possible.